Good afternoon, guys. Mr. Clark here. We're going to talk to you real quick about the importance of wearing the new visors on the buses when we return to everybody coming back to school on Monday, April 12th. Okay, so on the week of the next week, the week of the 29th, all of our bus students will be issued a visor. Okay, and we're going to show you how to wear them. Mr. Smith and Mrs. Starziak have them. All students will be getting them next Tuesday and Thursday. So cohort A will get them on Tuesday, and cohort B will get them on Thursday. Okay, and it's a student's responsibility to keep their visor, and you're going to put it right in your backpack when you get off the bus. And when you get on the bus, at the end of the day, it's your job when you get on the bus to wear that. And what this is a separate health and safety measure because the buses will be fuller. There'll be more students on the bus than there have been. And this is an additional precaution to make sure that everybody is safe, okay? So you will get them in a bag. And let me just show you how they look. Okay, I picked this one right here because that's what it looks like. And that one has a name on it. So what you guys should do is put your name on it, okay? And what you're going to do every day is after you get home, you're going to clean it real quick. Okay, you're going to take some soap and water, or just a sponge if you've got a sponge in the kitchen at your house, and just rinse it off real quick to make sure it's clean every day. Okay, so the proper wearing protocol is you have to have your mask on still, like Mr. Smith does, but then you also have the visor, okay? And the reason for that is we're going from 6 feet to 3 feet, and actually when you're on the bus, you're closer than 3 feet, which is the reason why you have to wear the visor, okay? So let's go on the bus and let's get everybody seated, and we'll just show you how it works on the bus, okay? So let's go ahead. Got Mrs. Starziak here to help out. I'm shooting this with my phone, okay? So yeah, so when they're seated on the bus together, sit together, you guys.
Together, okay.
Yeah, we have to pretend this is a full bus, okay? So all the students should have, that's how you guys should look on the bus, okay? Because you're too close together, all right? So you're less than 3 feet together, which is why you have to wear the visor on top of the mask, okay? So that's it. You guys will get those the week of the 22nd. I'm sorry, the 29th, next week. And use all health and safety on the buses coming back. And just a reminder to students to make sure that you're wearing your masks. Not like this, that you're wearing your masks all the time, that you have it pulled up over your nose. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next week.